Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to turn off emergency wireless alerts and loud weather sounds on Android. Blaring alert sirens can scare you half to death in the middle of the night, but diving into your safety settings lets you silence these intrusive alarms instantly. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap directly on Safety and Emergency. Inside, look for the configuration labeled Wireless Emergency Alerts and tap on it. Locate the option labeled Allow Alerts. Click the toggle switch right next to Allow Alerts to turn it completely off if you want to silence all broadcasted notices at once. Now, if you prefer keeping critical safety messages active while only disabling the loud weather sounds, you can customize the individual filters below instead. Leave the master switch enabled, scroll down the dashboard view, and locate the specific alert category rows labeled Extreme Threats, Severe Threats, and Amber Alerts. Toggle off the Choice Selection switch right next to Severe Threats and any localized weather or public safety options to stop lesser storm warnings from triggering audio alarms. Scroll all the way to the bottom section block of the layout to find the configuration row explicitly labeled Alert Preferences. Tap on Vibration to disable physical buzzing or toggle the switch next to Sound to ensure any remaining active emergency alerts arrive quietly on your display panel without blasting an audible alarm. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.